Okay, so you can't just remove a negative thought and then your work is done, because the negative thought will pop right back in. You have to literally push out the negative thought with a positive thought. So you can't just remove and leave a blank. You have to push out the negative thought and replace. So we remove, I don't like how things are going, push it out with, here's some things that are going on that I do like. We remove what's going wrong, push out with a replacement thought, this is what's going right. We have, here's what I don't like, replace with, here's what I do like. We have, here's what I want that I don't have yet. We push that out with, here's the things I have wanted and do indeed have today. So again, pushing out a negative thought and leaving a blank is not going to work. You have to literally crowd out the negative thought with a positive thought. The natural tendency will be for the negative thought to wiggle its way back in. You have to be on alert. When it wiggles its way back in, which it will do, that's when you crowd it out.